And you speak of AI, which makes me want to ask you, what do you think the future of the legal profession looks like with the introduction of AI?
Yeah. Exciting and also scary. Exciting and also scary. I think
could I just say before you
yes.
could, I'm a big proponent of AI.
Yeah,
especially
same.
for professional purposes.
Same. I think it makes us quite efficient, very, very efficient. It also allows innovation to come in as much as people might think it might not. It hinders situations. I don't think so. But maybe drawing back to the legal side, there's quite a lot of work that has been written around now also, like, okay, billable hours, because like the work can come out quite easier or faster than it used to before. Or even me, like drafting heads of arguments and saying I spent like 3 days, and then the other part is like, nah, you should have spent 2 hours. You should have spent 2 hours kind of thing. But at the end of the day, I think it's a revolution, right? I think now we're in that technology revolution where things are changing in a very fast pace. Unfortunately, because we are in South Africa, and we still have a huge number of people who don't even have access to the internet, don't even have access to devices that we have, would kind of feel like they're left behind. And I don't think that's the idea that should happen. So, because it's moving too fast. And I don't know how the university is doing it. How are they assessing students at this moment from a legal perspective? But I think it just scares you a little bit because, we sell information, we sell knowledge, and now it's easy accessible. It's just that obviously it still hallucinates quite a lot from the legal perspective, and you've seen the cases that have been out there regarding
artificial intelligence.
Cases that have been hallucination basically. But I think it's valuable. It's something that everyone should use, because if you're not using it, the next one is using it, and they're going to look much faster and efficient than you are.
It takes it 3 days to draft heads, and it takes them 1 day.
Exactly. So use it, obviously, to your discretion and caution, but it doesn't take away your knowledge of legal analysis, your knowledge of research, those resources. That's something that you...
Can I tell you how I think of AI?